Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready, a Python 3.8 plus virtual environment and Ultralytics installed. Once done, activate the venv and pip install Ultralytics so the Yolov8 API is available. Prepare a tiny dataset immediately. Put images in an images folder and matching YOLO format. TXT labels in a labels folder. Make sure class names are defined in a data. YAML or a simple classes. TXT. This keeps training predictable and avoids format errors later. Now you train and tune. Load a pre-trained model like Yolov8n, PT and call model. Train with your data. YAML, a sensible epoch count and target image size. While training, inspect loss and MAP. If MAP stalls, lower the learning rate or increase augmentation. Use batch size that fits GPU memory and enable callbacks for checkpointing and early stopping so you don't overfit. Once metrics improve, export the best weights. This process balances speed and accuracy for practical use. Finish by running inference with your trained weights and a confidence threshold, saving annotated images or returning detections as JSON. Once validated locally, export to ONCs or TensorRT for faster deployment and benchmark FPS on your target device. If results look wrong, first check label format and class mapping. Mismatched class indices are common. Also verify you didn't overfit. Compare train versus val loss. If training diverged, reduce learning rate and add more augmentation before retraining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.